Yo guys, how you doing guys? I hope you're keeping well. Are you in Bali right now? Because seems like it's actually quite busy around. Check this out. Quite many people actually already come. I just wonder if you are one of these people around, guys.
Hi everyone. Okay, so today we are in Jimbaran, Pantai Muaya, and then we will plan to have a sunset dinner later on because Damian is craving for the grilled fish. So yeah, we will show you around how is Jimbaran, Pantai Muaya Jimbaran is nowadays. Is it already back to pack with the people or something like that? Let's see how it is.
So currently people enjoying their time in the water, in the ocean. There you can see that this is not Agung, this is Batu Karo. And there are some people actually by the beach. There are some foreigners time to time everywhere, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Are you already in Bali, guys? Let me know in the comment section.
Maybe if we compare with Sanur Beach, probably Sanur Beach on the weekend will be much busier than this, but still, this beach I think that is more family friendly, you know, where people coming with the family enjoying their time on the beach. And yeah, because it's not that very high tide, but some people, yeah, having a good time by the beach.
Coffee from Kintamani.
Kintamani, betul.
A little advertising.
Yes.
How much per kg? Arabica, Robusta?
Arabica.
How much per kg?
Per kilo, ya 200.000. Dan ini ada.
200.000?
Ya. Ini
Nice.
Arabica, kita
Nice.
kasih light. Ini profile filter Japanese.
Oh,
Jadi lebih sehat.
nice.
Nice.
So good,
Cheers,
very
my
strong.
friend.
Oke, cheers.
As the beach is actually very beautiful, very clean right now, especially when we were like, watching us a few months ago at the springtime, was very dirty here. But now it's really beautiful. And the weather right now, if you're thinking to come to Bali in May, June, just amazing. It's really beautiful.
I think that it's not the rubbish season,
No,
right?
it's no rubbish
Definitely
season.
whenever you want to come to Bali around May, June, July, I think that this will be the best month. But if you compare with December, January, it's, you know, when it's rain season, seems like the rubbish goes.
Yeah, exactly. Water is coming. I have a shoe. All right, meanwhile, the situation by the beach, more closer to the sunset, there will be a little bit more people coming and coming. And local warungs here everywhere around. Local people with foreigner people chilling around. That's actually very beautiful. And we are heading more into that direction where the seafood restaurants. Let's see how's the situation over there. Meanwhile, the warungs where you can grab some bintangs here, because there are warungs where you can grab the bintang, some beer, some corn maybe. And there are seafood restaurants where mostly people coming for having a seafood. That's two different things in the one spot in Jimbaran Beach. Honey, the vibe is definitely getting better and better, right?
Yeah, I think that whenever you want to come here, the time closer by sunset will be much busy and getting busier. And you see that the restaurant by the beach seems like more and more people coming. So yeah, it's very nice. So happy to see this.
That's for sure. And this is the comprehensive review of the current situation in Jimbaran today. The guy selling the ice cream in the backpack. Hello.
Yeah, and as you can see that, you know, the beach, the sand is definitely very clean, guys. So yeah, so nice, so happy.
Much better. And yeah, that's the situation. I'm also gonna face the sunset situation like this. It's gonna be very beautiful in the approximately 15-20 minutes. also this is the Intercontinental Hotel, and seems like it's abandoned wing. There is something is happening. This one looks abandoned, where the kids sitting around. And if you are totally not familiar where we are, this beach is leading up to Kuta. Over there is the airport actually, and after that, behind the airport, there will be Kuta and everything. Also, the currently situation is, like I already mentioned, in the past few days, the Ramadan, the holidays in Indonesia are finished, so many local people already went home. And then you can see more actually how's the many situation with the foreigner tourists around, but definitely less local tourists for another few weeks. Later they're gonna come back for sure. So the situation by the beach is actually kind of busy, but not as that as it was before actually I start traveling. Meanwhile, there is some group of the people making pictures, running because a wave coming, everybody got the shoe, somebody lost the shoe. At least it's funny. And so many kids actually enjoying the sunset. Sunset is gonna be literally very, very soon. Sayang, where are you? Ah! Ayo! Business with the balloons, very family friendly beach by the way here. There's some group of the tourists local, and we are looking for some restaurant where maybe we're gonna have a seafood dinner today. Yes, Sayang?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Okay guys, as you see, people coming more and more, people coming behind me with a big group, with the family, friends, they're having a dinner, beautiful sunset. So yeah, so happy to see this. Okay guys, so I think that's all our video today from Jimbaran. So thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!